Many breastfeeding mothers choose to build a small reserve of stored breast milk. This is often called a milk stash, and it can be extremely helpful for busy families. A breast pump makes it possible to slowly collect extra milk over time. By pumping once or twice a day in addition to regular breastfeeding sessions, mothers can store small amounts of milk in the refrigerator or freezer. Over time, these small amounts can add up to a helpful supply of breast milk. Having a milk stash allows mothers to feel more flexible with their schedules. For example, if a mother needs to attend an appointment, return to work, or simply take some personal time, a caregiver can feed the baby with stored breast milk. Breast milk can remain safe in the freezer for several months when stored properly in breast milk storage bags or containers. Building a milk stash with the help of a breast pump gives mothers peace of mind and allows them to continue breastfeeding while managing daily responsibilities.